For today's Tesla Model 3 accessory review, I'm going to showcase this refrigerator from Hansshow. Since 2017, Tesla Model 3 hasn't had a refrigerator since it doesn't have a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug in the trunk, but Hansshow has figured it out. All right, check this out. What's up guys, Myung here from Camera to Freedom. If you use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content just like I'm doing, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So for today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, finally it has happened. I've made a Tesla Model Y refrigerator video with my friends in the past. I don't have a Tesla Model Y, so I called my friends up, they came over, I gave it to them, we made a video together, and I was pretty sad to see that refrigerator go when I really did want it for myself. Finally, Hansshow released a refrigerator for Tesla Model 3. It's a refrigerator, it's a freezer. Now, because of the fact that Tesla Model 3 doesn't have that rear 12-volt plug, you have to take the wire from the trunk through the back seat into your 12-volt plug. I'm a wedding photographer, videographer, so when I do have a long shoot, I like to drink Red Bull energy drink throughout the day. I know that's very bad for you. It's still cold at least. Oh, that's cold, yes. With this permanently inside my Tesla Model 3, I could have drinks in there when I'm on my gigs. I don't have to worry about going to stores and buying ice cream or cold food and then having to worry about, oh, am I gonna make it home in time before it defrosts? There's many times where we go shopping and we don't get ice cream or any one of those frozen food because we know we're not gonna go straight home afterwards, so that we just cancel, figure it out some other time. But now it's not a problem. Finally, a refrigerator for our Tesla Model 3. So I'm gonna put the discount code link below from Hansshow, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. So let's open this up. I was wondering, how are we gonna carry this? I thought it's just on the side, but it has a little handle. So you could just hold onto the handle, but voila, there it is. So it's not too bad. I mean, I could just lift it up here and there. It's got some weight to it, but it's not impossible to carry, as you can see. So this thing is a 20-liter capacity. It only fills up this one little area, and this left side is just all mechanical parts. So this is the power adapter that plugs into the fridge. So it also comes with a wall adapter. Doesn't have to be inside your car. You could pull this out and then plug it into a wall adapter if you guys are going to someone's garage, which we do sometimes, and you could just keep it cold all night. Go ahead and put this together. It's just this simple plug right here, simple as that. Plug that in, and there you go. You got that little cable that's on the side. All right, so that's how you power it on. I'm gonna just take the sticker out. Oh, that's so pretty. I almost just want to leave it on. I'm going to just leave it to the side and I'll put it back on just to keep it fresh like that, like a little protector. You push the option button right here and then you could change your ideal temperature. I set it to 4 degrees Celsius. That's 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now it automatically tells me that it's 33 degrees in here. 20 liters right here. You got the handles on the side that could easily just pop out and carry with you if you want cold drinks at the beach or something. You just got a little LED light, that's really cool. There's also an app that you download. It's called Sea Fridge. I think it's like just a generic app that's for every refrigerator. So you download that. Yes, allow Bluetooth, automatically text it. Let's connect. The first one, the temperature that I'm at is just a regular cold drink. And there's for fruits. There's seafood, frozen food, and then there's ice cream that's all the way down. You could push the dial, or you could just push minus and plus. That's kind of fun. All right, guys, excuse my shorts. We're gonna go swimming in a little bit with my boy. This refrigerator is huge with a 20-liter space because of the fact that it freezes. It's a freezer also, which is crazy. I never knew that a freezer actually existed for a vehicle. I always thought it was just a cooler, right? So I'm impressed with that. I love it. I highly recommend it in a hot weather like this. So I'm gonna have the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. And please leave a comment, just say what's up. Anything will help. Helps out with the algorithm, and I definitely need all the help I can get. Some of my videos don't get any views, but it's okay. I love what I'm doing. This is amazing. This is fun. You should do it too. I highly recommend it. So anyways, I will see you next time. Okay, let's Let's go, let's go. Let's get ready for swimming. Take my board to swim. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.